Jack Ticket World. And
It's coming from the Big Brother house, and they are known as the PBB Teens. Please welcome Brett, Jackson, James Reed, Kyra, Devon, Trisha, and Andy.
Yay!
Yep.
At ito pa, trivia. First time nila sa ASAP. Charot lang.
First time
Lagi
nila,
kayo dito.
sabi Nino.
First time.
Oh, kumusta kayo, guys?
Very awesome.
Okay
Awesome.
naman. How are you, James Reed?
I'm very good, thank you.
That's good.
Brett, how are you?
Brett,
Super fantastic, great.
Okay.
still white?
Kyra, Devon, Trisha?
Of
course.
Buhay pa naman.
Okay
Buhay
naman.
pa rin.
Okay naman.
Ikaw
And
na
you know what?
bongga.
Yung prod nila, napakagaling ah. Can you teach us some moves? Sige nga.
Oh, ang
paano yan?
galing sumayaw. Grabe,
Okay,
shout out.
Suma-shout-out lang.
Shout
Or
Shout out.
good vibes lang. Para gano'n.
Speaking of good vibes, syempre magti-take you si James Reed sa lahat ng nanonood ng good vibes.
Yes, watch Good Vibes every Sunday after ASAP Rock. So after ASAP today.
Ano sabi mo?
Thank you.
Pagkatapos
Thank you.
ng
Charlie,
ASAP
bit me.
Rocks.
Okay, come on. Go.
And please watch if you are in the town. Romeo and Juliet with
You have something new
With
right
Ate
here.
Fritzy.
Romeo and Juliet together
Yes.
with
No,
Fritzy.
at Cinema 5 SM Santa Mesa until December.
Ayaw niyo
So
naman mag-poster.
everyone watch it. It's pretty
Sana,
great.
wait lang, kulang yung poster. Ayaw niyo emote.
Okay.
Walang emotions, no?
So, Brett, is this a movie or a play?
It's a play, stage play po.
Stage play.
Yes.
So, the only teens who are in this
Fritzy
play
and I.
are Fritzy and you.
Yes.
Okay.
It's gonna be great. Please
May
watch.
July
isa pang
16,
ipopromote si
2011
Kuya
to
Brett.
December.
At ano yun, kasama niya si James Reed
Yes.
sa...
In my second love team.
Wala nang Javon, wala nang Jomly. It's Brett James. Brett James.
Oh!
We are
Ito pala,
whatever.
the reason that they're here, Kapamilyas,
Wow!
they have a new album.
We Are Whatever.
Album, called We Are Whatever. So
Everyone,
it's-
please download it tomorrow at starrecords.ph.com.
Sorry,
And
tomorrow.
In 2 weeks, you can
Get
buy
like this
these
car.
phone cards.
It's
gonna
only
be pretty
99
sweet.
pesos.
At yung,
Yes.
at yung mga kanta nila ay We Are Young, One Night Romance, Living the Dream, Can't Dance.
Yes.
See, for the price of 100 pesos, you got 3 songs.
4
from your
songs.
PB Teens. There we have it.
Wow.
Okay, guys.
At,
What's
wait,
new with
magbasa
you?
tayo siguro ng mga comments.
Basta,
Ayan, go. We Are Whatever. Go, Brett James.
Yeah.
Brains.
Brains.
Medyo,
Brains.
ano yun ah? Medyo bromance yun, bro ah.
Oo, no? Bagay yun sa kanta nyong One Night Romance.
One night, big bromance pala yun.
Tapos kasi Kuya Brett.
Pero ito, for a fact, I know, si Trisha and Anli are studying right now. That's good. You're in TUP.
No, I go to homeschool pa rin.
Homeschool.
Pero now, I'm playing for the, I'm playing with the
Umi-English,
Lady Falcons.
gumagad.
Yeah.
Training with
Hello.
Ikaw na si
Lady
Maria
Falcons.
Aragon.
Yeah. Hello,
Oh.
Adamson.
Yun,
At
Adamson.
dadaan ang pinakagwapong lalaki sa buong mundo. Belated
Dieter
happy
Ocampo.
birthday, Mr.
Yeah.
Dieter.
Happy
birthday!
Happy birthday
Happy
po.
birthday po.
Happy
I love
birthday.
you.
Pero si
Abangan
Anli,
niyo siya sa
si Anli
Guns N'
naman,
Roses. Yes.
from what I know, nag-study siya ngayon sa SOFA sa School of Fashion Arts.
yes, fashion
And,
designing course.
oo, fashion designer. Under Ryan Bang ka ngayon, di ba?
Ryan Bang?
Ryan Bang. Bang pala.
Sir,
Bang Pineda pala.
Bang
Sorry.
Style for
Sorry.
ASAP.
For ASAP. And Devon, currently in Good Vibes. Is that true?
Yes.
Oo.
At ngayon, yung mga Javon at Jamlin, ako mag-comment na kayo sa amin. Kung may
Oy,
mga tanong
ano
kayo,
yan?
mag-comment kayo.
Like this
James,
one
name.
from...
Jamli, nose to nose.
yeah.
Dahil birthday ko, guys, pagbigyan nyo na ako.
Oh,
Guys, happy birthday.
Thank you.
I love you, Jamli, from Cristel. Ano guys,
I truly love Javon.
to all the Jamli, Javon,
love Jamli.
Bretzy, ano pa ba?
Rabisha.
Robisha,
Rabisha.
Jasha,
boy, mayroon din.
lahat na.
Nose to
Nose,
Jaray.
nose to nose. Nose to
Kinay
nose.
James.
Rubisha,
Nose to
nose
nose.
to nose to nose.
Ibigay lahat ng mga question nyo.
Birthday ko, wag
Dito
nose.
sa Ask
Birthday
Out.
na yun.
Birthday ko, kaya kayo na lang mag-nose to nose.
Hindi. Wait, ito
Okay,
sila na
sige,
lang.
sige. You know what?
Yay.
O ano na?
Pero gusto mo
Dead
na yung
air.
mga comments, ha?
Kiray, sino ang type mo sa mga PBB boys?
Si Kuya. Tapos. Thank you.
Go, guys.
Go, guys. Pagbigyan si Kiray. Oh, pagbigyan niyo daw ako.
O, dali.
Robisha! Robisha, marami kayong fans. 32. Charot. Charot lang.
Binilang.
O, go na,
Ikaw,
Jim.
ikaw. Sige na.
Oh,
Oh, nakita ko si Robby.
Wait lang. Dahil nag-i-English ka today. Ikaw
Uy, ayoko.
dali na. O, dali na.
Uy,
di ba?
nag-aantay na si
Love
Robby.
team kayo.
Ikaw na lang.
Oh, ayun na.
Oh, ready na.
Ay, My heart is...
Kaya na naman, hoy.
Dali
Dali na.
Ayan,
Kaya na
Jamly naman, Jam.
Jamly. Awkward situation.
O, dali.
Awkward
Yung mga chatters natin,
situation.
mag-comment na kayo.
Love, Brett.
O, go. Dali na, Jamly for the win. O, go, guys.
dali.
Hi,
One
guys.
time lang, no?
One time lang. Sabi ni Justin Bieber.
Kiray James.
Bieber.
Totoo?
One time lang.
Ay, hindi.
O, dali na,
Ay,
guys.
hindi. Yeah.
Uy, Jay.
Face dance na lang. What's that? Face dance.
Please dance.
Face dance.
Ay,
What a face dance.
O, go, come on.
Dapat may music. Si Brett, tsaka si Kyra na lang.
O, magtanong kayo. Magtanong
I'm so
kayo
sorry.
sa isa't
I
isa.
have a Juliet already.
Uy, loyal to,
So
promise.
corny.
Sobrang loyal. O, ano na?
Ano na?
O, ano na to?
Basta
Ayan.
maraming magaganda mangyari sa Good Vibes. Abangan nyo. Yun yan.
Oo, abang
Maraming mga kilig, vibes,
wait.
mamaya. Kaya, yun.
Promote Cebu Vlog Pang Cebu.
Bangan nyo
Ayan.
guys, good
Ano pa
vibes
ipa-vlog?
after Asa
Everyone,
Rock.
if
Meron
you're-
pa kayo mga mall shows.
Yes.
Yan, guesting.
July 28.
July 28th,
Yeah.
we'll be in Cebu Coliseum. Me, Devon, James, Trisha, Ivan, Fritzy.
Yeah.
The 6 of us. So it'll be really fun. So if you're gonna be in that area.
And si Ate Devon, nasa Dasma siya. Ay, si James
si
pala.
James.
James.
Mali ang RMRM-an.
Wrong information.
Mali ang
Ang pinakamagandang arm sa buong mundo.
Mali ang sabi ng bolang kristal natin ngayon.
Si James daw ay nasa Dasma kailan? Robinson's Dasma, August 19. Abangan
no
nyo siya
idea.
dyan. Ayan.
All right.
Yes.
James.
Yeah, I hope to see you guys there, but I had no idea. Now I know.
Now you know.
So I'll be
Sabi
there.
ni Pacquiao. Okay, come on. O ano, guys? Oh,
I can't wait to see Fritzy later at our play today at
Oh,
3:30 p.m.
Wow.
Yes.
Can't wait to see Fritzy later in our play.
Yes, it's gonna be great.
Gumaganon ka na?
I want to watch. Free ticket.
Oo nga, di ba
Free
dapat?
ticket! VIP!
Example nga sa isang line dyan sa Romeo and Juliet nyo. Yung, kikiligin kami.
Tapos
Kunyari si Kiray mo na si Juliet. For
Oo
now,
nga,
for now.
kunyari si Kiray.
walang Juliet na kulot. Okay, come on.
Ay, kulot si Juliet, di ba?
O, si Juliet, kunyari si James.
Sige na. O, sige, sige.
Sige, kanyari si James. Go.
O, dahil, uy, promotion to sa album nyo.
Oo nga.
Oo, di ba?
Sige na.
O, dali na. Go. I
To
love you,
Kiray.
Kuya Brett.
Kiray.
Gusto niya sa'yo, eh, nun.
Okay. Nakakatawa.
Dali na.
Your hand is like a holy place, which mine isn't worthy to visit. If you're offended by the touch of my hand,
Favorite niya yan.
my 2 lips are standing here like blushing pilgrims, ready to make things better. With a kiss?
Cute. Have
Thanks.
mercy.
Thanks. Okay, thanks. Bye. Wala na nasabi. Walang naintindihan. Oy, dahil birthday ko, anong birthday wish to sa akin? Dali, nagmamakaawa ako. Dali, Kuya Brett.
Birthday wish?
Hindi. New Year's wish. O, go na.
You have everything already naman.